Hi, it's Anne here. In this Web Agency Fortune Vol.7 review, I am going to show you how you are now able to create stunning and professional business websites in 3 steps with no design skills required. Make sure you stay to this end of this review, as I am going to show you a detailed demo of this software and the different OTOs and upgrades to know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If at any point during this review you want to check out Web Agency Fortune Vol.7, just click on the link below, and you'll also be able to see all of these special bonuses that are available if you pick up from me. Also, please like this video as it really helps my YouTube channel, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and bell notification, and I really appreciate that. Thank you. Let's take a quick look at the bonus page. All of these exclusive bonuses will be available to you if you decide to purchase from my site. And all of these special bonuses will be right inside your account, waiting for you after you purchase Web Agency Fortune Vol.7. Let's do a walkthrough together with Web Agency Fortune Vol.7 sales page. You will now be able to create stunning and professional business websites in 3 steps with no design or coding skills required, and it's 100% done for you. You get access to 8 stunning website templates, 100% customizable. You can create and install within minutes. It's built for WordPress, and content and sales video will be included for you. And this works in 3 easy steps. Step 1, pick a niche from the done for you niche website templates. Secondly, install your stunning website template and customize to your own style within minutes. And lastly, get ready to sell and profit from local businesses or by selling on freelance sites. And you can now create and sell professional stunning websites as shown here. And you get all the design, graphics, images, and content included for you as well. And every business needs a great website nowadays, and this is where the Web Agency Fortune Vol.7 comes into the picture. It will allow you to easily create and sell highly optimized, elegant business websites in minutes for profits. And you don't even need to have any coding or design skills required. Let's check out what Web Agency Fortune Vol.7 is providing to you. You get access to everything done for you, installed in a few minutes, customized with Visual Builder, unlimited color control, built-in speed optimization, unlimited Google font integration, focus on mobile responsiveness, multi-page website designs, custom header and footer, custom blog post templates, complete logo and menu control, complete typographic control, built-in stunning sliders, custom CSS controls, built-in responsive editing, drag and drop website building, global elements and styles, undo, redo and revisions, save and manage your designs, and easy to duplicate everything. Next, I will show you a detailed demo of this software to know exactly what you're getting into. And I'll come back showing you the different OTOs and upgrades available. And I'll see you after this.
Web Agency Fortune, done for you web design business. If you're looking for a quick and easy solution to create beautiful, high-converting business websites, look no further. Today, you can get a beautiful, functional agency website with ready-to-use content, plus 6 local business websites to sell again and again. With Web Agency Fortune, you can start your own website design agency in minutes from now and profit from high-paying local businesses. Step 1. Pick a niche in our collection of done-for-you niche website templates with ready-to-use images and content. Step 2. Install our stunning website template to your WordPress site and customize in minutes. Step 3. Sell and profit from local businesses who are using old, outdated websites. You can find plenty of them out there. Your clients will be happy to pay you. You'll be happy delivering a tangible service, and you can get the job done in minutes as it's crazy easy to install each template. Our website design templates are professional, beautiful, and are loaded with ready-to-use images and content. They're 100% responsive and look good on all devices. You also get an agency website to help you sell your website services. Web Agency Fortune is a done-for-you solution for a service with huge demand. In this special offer, you can get everything for the price of less than a WordPress theme. Check out Web Agency Fortune today.
Welcome back. You can now accelerate your journey with Web Agency Fortune Volume 7 step-by-step tutorials. And here is what you'll be learning inside. Getting started with WordPress, how to install Web Agency Fortune websites, how to customize the websites, best resources that you need to grow your agency business, and Web Agency Fortune checklist. Let's do a recap on what you'll be getting with Web Agency Fortune Volume 7 if you decide to grab a copy today. On the front-end side, you get access to 6 stunning business website templates, 2 high-converting agency websites, step-by-step training. Each template is 100% customizable, WordPress-based and SEO-friendly, fully mobile optimized, autoresponder integrations, step-by-step tutorials, dedicated support, no coding, web agency resources and checklists, unlimited commercial license, unlimited websites with unlimited clients, and it comes with 100% risk-free 30 days money-back guarantee. Let's have a look at the different OTOs and upgrades available. First OTO is Upgrade Package. You get access to upgrade version of the websites, 7 more pages per website, 6 more blog posts per website, and 20 brand new website design articles. Second OTO is Marketing Materials. You get access to 6 local business videos, 90 social media images with 15 per niche, and ChatGPT prompts for local marketing. Third OTO is Web Agency Fortune Mega Pack. You'll be able to get the lowest price for all previous Web Agency Fortune products. Websites, videos, and social media content for 50 plus niches, and all videos and social media images. Fourth OTO is Local Agency Fortune VIP Club. You get access to 6 months or 1 year VIP Club membership. Get thousands of value worth of DV Team, DV Cloud, and DV products to supercharge web design business. And fifth OTO is Exclusive Website Design. You get access to website design service, and altogether, there are 5 OTOs to the Web Agency Fortune Volume 7. Thank you for watching my review. If you want to check out Web Agency Fortune Volume 7, just click on the link below. And be sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button and bell notification, as it really helps my YouTube channel. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.